My name is Lai Hyun said. I am Emily's grandma. I have lived in Alabama about almost 10 years. I have 3 daughters, but only 2 in Alabama.
Why did you come to Alabama?
Because I want to come live with my daughter and I want to see my grandkids.
So, what do you like to do on weekends?
On weekend, I like to go to the church. On Sunday, I have friends and we join together. I have friends and we work together at St. Emo Church. I'm happy to know people who speak different language.
Okay. What do you do on like a regular day?
I have fun to be work in my garden because the weather here is perfect to grow a lot of vegetable.
Okay. What do you like to do during the holidays?
I enjoy spending my time with my family during the holiday, like I have Thanksgiving dinner and spend time with my daughter during the Christmas time. I spend time with all my friends. ដូចជាធ្វើសាច់គោអាំងចង្កាក់ទៅហើយធ្វើនំអន្សមធ្វើបង្អែមដូចជាបាញ់ឆ្នឿកហើយក៏តប៉ែខ្មៅអីចឹងទៅហើយលក់ឲ្យពួកគេមកលេងគេដើរកំសាន្តនៅពេលបុណ្យចូលឆ្នាំខ្មែរហ្នឹងវាធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តវាហើយក៏វារកបានប្រាក់ចំណូលគួរសមដែរ
Thank you.